Hi, my name is Brandon Toh, and I translated a poem from Chinese. So the reason I chose to translate this poem is because of the story behind it. The poet Qingzhao wrote this poem to her husband, whom she hadn't seen in over a year, and legend has it that upon receiving the poem, her husband spent 3 days and nights trying to write a poem that could convey a similar sense of intense longing in response, but failed to do so. As is common in timeless poetry, this poem is steeped in cliché without feeling so, and I've tried to capture that in my translation. So this is Sheer Mist and Rolling Clouds Fret This Eternal Day by Li Qingzhao. Sheer mist and rolling clouds fret this eternal day. Some incense is wilting inside my beast-shaped censer. It is the 9th day of the 9th month, Chongyang Festival. Lying on my jade pillow behind the canopy, this autumn night chills me skin to bone. I drink till twilight by the chrysanthemum field. The faint scent lingers on my sleeves. How can my soul not ache when the westerly wind draws the drapes? Thinner you'll find me than even a lone yellow petal.